So I think we can all agree that summertime is one of the most fun times that people love. These photos that you can see right now best represents this vacation expression. But that does not mean that you can have a happy summer if you didn't achieve this aesthetic. Well, you know what this video is about. Let's just roll the clip. Of course, we'll start from the basics of what a person does during vacation times. For people who can't go outdoors at the moment, you can use Google Maps or Street View to virtually sight the beauty of your dream country. In a simplistic form, go for a nature walk. This is the perfect time to go outside and unwind after having a stressful work or academic year. If you want to challenge yourself, maybe find some tourist spots that are hard to go to. As you can see, I am being challenged by this unexpected route towards this beach resort. If there are any museums nearby in your area, try considering giving yourself a museum tour. I promise you'll learn something and enjoy the artifacts that are displayed inside of it. An alternative way to explore museums in the comfort of your home is to visit free virtual museums on the internet. Consider doing a mode tour. Maybe you'll now find your wants on your wish list that you deserve, so grab it and treat yourself. Go to different restaurants that you wish to dine in. Cheap or expensive, it doesn't matter. For coffee lovers out there like me, hello! Take this summer holiday opportunity to explore various coffee shops other than Starbucks. Contrary to the previous one, try something new at Starbucks. They occasionally offer new into their menu and exploring it is a great choice. And if you want to eat outdoors with your friends or family, you may set up a picnic party. But of course, utilize the internet to find the perfect location for your activity. You can make sunshine papers out of recycled bond or color papers. Either way, you will have additional material for your creative projects and also save paper and the environment. Consider making a scrapbook. These are my previous projects way back junior year, by the way. It could or might be your avenue to store memories in a creative way. Bake something delicious. It could be cakes, cookies, or any pastry that you want to make. Produce your homemade chocolate drink. You can search for ideas and inspirations on the internet and use them to create your delicious hot chocolate. If you have any acrylic paint sitting inside your house, you can use it to paint any sort of image or symbol. It is good that you are practicing while generating a masterpiece of your own. For pen pal enthusiasts, you can write a letter to a friend of yours, wish them something, or compose a message that you want your friend to read from you. Try making your own short story. It doesn't have to be very artistically amazing at first. You can start by telling your life anecdote. If you are into filming, maybe you can use your short story to write a script. It's great to work on since there are a lot of circumstances in which a teacher requires such activities related to the film. Try vlogging. I know it's hard at first, but trust me, by the virtue of time, you will get used to it. I've seen a lot of creative crafts on the internet and you can try making your own bean art. I didn't make myself one yet, but I know it is satisfying and worth it once accomplished. Art therapy products are a great way to kill boredom and produce an image that you can use to decorate your room. You may check similar products like this one. Tie-dye a t-shirt. Look for some old shirts inside your closet and you can reproduce them and wear them like new ones. Create your customized candles. If you don't know how to make one, there are a lot of tutorials on the internet. Crochet something. Maybe you need a coaster for your mugs or a customized hat. It's your call. And for a green thumb activity, you can plant a vegetable of your choice and wait for them to grow as time passes by. Talk to your longtime friend you wish to talk to. Send a thoughtful message through gifts and I promise you that person will be touched by your words. Well, it depends on the message as well. Video call someone, say hi, hello, or anything that you desire. Play a virtual group game with your friends. I recommend Draw Battle or Scribblio as interactive games. Meet your friends, dine in with them with your favorite restaurant, and personally chat with them. But please, for the love of God, don't forget the safety protocol policy. And last but not least, communicate with yourself. Maybe you can write a letter to your present and future self or a poem. Try using Notion. Pro tip, if you are a student and owns a university email, you can use it to create an account and enjoy its premium benefits at zero cost. Declutter your digital space. Delete those unnecessary photos, videos, documents, or any undesirable files on your gadgets. Clean and organize your physical space. This is truly a satisfying activity to do during vacation times. You can donate the things you have found unuseful on your end after organizing your place. That way, they will not end up in the garbage bin and can be used to those who are in need. If you are a student, try to organize your stationaries. For Spotify or non-Spotify users, I recommend you organize and make playlists for your personal and academic use. You can also try to explore or experiment with different organization systems before school strikes again. And for those who do not have the time to organize their email inbox, then this is the time to do so. Color code them, delete them, or archive them, whatever strikes your fancy. Playing bowling is a fun one, not until your hand hurts because of the heavy ball you need to roll. Maybe try golfing? I am so desperate to try this sport because I think it is so worth it to try. Basketball has a lot of benefits, but if you're a first timer, trust me, it's not easy. Take it easy. Clays not only let you play with your hands but also encourages sensory development. Clay play is a multi-sensory hobby. Watch your favorite movie or K-drama in the comfort of your home with your family. Play your favorite music on YouTube or Spotify and maybe dance along with it. Crossword puzzles are a mind-blowing game, especially if you are already at a high level. Take wordscapes as an example. Try playing homescapes or gardenscapes on your phone. I love gardenscapes the most, but take note that this is not sponsored by them or anything. Play or practice an instrument of your choice. And for the Guinness World Record, you can bond with me by clicking subscribe on my channel. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm so happy to share with you all these ideas and I'll be happy to make this kind of video in the future. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see some future content like this one, be sure to check Studyloscope's YouTube and Instagram accounts. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.